Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skill Up Tutorials one lesson at a time. In today's video, I am going to explain about infix expression. Firstly, what is meant by expression? Expression is a combination of operands and operators. Then what are operands and then what are operators is like here you can see 5, 2, 3, all these we call as operands. Operands consists of like any constants like 1 2 3 or any variables like abcd, all these comes under operands. Then what is meant by operators are like here you can see plus, into, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential power, all these are comes under operators. And coming to the main topic, infix expression. In infix expression, operators are placed in between the operands. As we can see in this example, like 2 by 3 and 3 multiplication 4. Here operators are like multiplication and division, all these two are placed in between the operands. So this is how we called infix expression. Now in this video I am going to explain the evaluation of this infix expression. So now let's see about it. Evaluation means firstly the process of computing final result is known as evaluation. To evaluate the expression, we need to know about precedence and association rules. Before going to that, now let's take an example, that is here we can see 6 plus 4. We all know that 6 plus 4 is 10. This is the 6 plus 4 is expression and 10 is the final result. Evaluation means finding out the final result from the given expression. Okay, and this is very simple. We can do it very easily. If you can see in this, we can solve this problem in two types. That is, first we can do this operation like 2 into 3 is 6 and then plus 4, that is 6 plus 4 becomes 10, and also we can perform like keeping this 2 into 3 like this. We can perform 3 plus 4, that means 3 plus 4 is 7. So then we got 7 to the 14. Here we got two solutions, but for any problem if we solve any expression we will be getting only one solution, but here we are getting two kinds of solutions. But now we need to know which is the best solution, that is correct solution. To know to solve this perfectly, we need to know the precedence rules. Now let's see the what are precedence rules so that you will get it. Like precedence rules will decide the which operator to evaluate. As you can see here, first here we evaluated multiplication and then here we evaluated plus. Okay, these two types we did, but this precedence will tell which operators need to be evaluated first and then which operator needs to be evaluated after that. Okay, these are precedence rules. Now I am discussing about the binary operators only. Binary operator means a operator which requires two operands is called binary operator, and in this video I am going to explain only binary operators. So all these are binary operators. We also have unary operators, ternary operators also. So as you can see here, all these brackets comes under the highest precedence, and then this is exponential power. This is second precedence, and this is third level, multiplication and division. This multiplication division in the same level and same as like above. This addition and subtraction are on the same level, that is fourth level. Now let's say here we got an example, that is 4 plus 2 power 3. So according to the precedence rule, first we need to apply 2 exponential power 3. Then what we get, 4 plus 2 power 3 is 8, then 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, this is how we follow the precedence rules and solve the expression perfectly with correct result. Now the next concept is associativity. For example, let's say here some other value is there. Let's take minus. As you can see here, first we will evaluate this 2 power 3, that is 8, and here we got now 2 minus 2, but here this positive, I mean plus and minus are in the same level. Then which one we need to consider and how to evaluate this? Here we it comes a question like, to solve that, here we come associativity rules. This will decides the direction to evaluate. For example, let's say this direction is right to left, this is left to right, and this is also left to right. Now let's see in this example, so you will get to understand. Here 2 power 3 is absolutely correct, so here we no need to apply associativity rule. So 4 plus 2 power 3 is 8 minus 2, and here comes the picture. Positive, that means addition and subtraction are in the same level. Then which one we need to select? For this one, left to right they given, that means from here onwards we need to traverse, like we need to parse this expression. For example, let's say I will tell one more example for right to left also. So for this example, we need to traverse from left to right, and we need to scan this and we can evaluate this. That is 4 plus 8 is 12 minus 2 and then 10. This is how we will perform the precedence and associativity rules. Precedence will tells the which operator to evaluate. That means addition or subtraction or multiplication or power, all these are combined. Then which one first we need to evaluate? This will taught by the precedence rules. And then comes to associativity rules. This will tell the direction. If we have same level elements one or more time, then which one, I mean which expression we need to consider and do the first. So this will be taught by the associativity rule. And now let's take one more example for your understanding. That is, let's say, let me take 2 power 2 power 2. This is the example. Here you can see, let me change some values, so that would be easy. Okay, 2 power 3 is the expression given, and as we all know that same operator is given. Then here we got confused, like which one to evaluate first. Like 2 power 2 is 4 and then 3, this is one expression, and the next one is 2 power, where it is, yeah, 2 power 8. These are two expressions we got, but this here associativity rule comes and it will decide from left to right or right to left. For this right to left, that means first we will evaluate this expression and then we comes to this expression. Okay, this is how associativity will work and tell us. Let's write it here. That means 2 power 8, and this 2 power 8 will become 256. Okay, this is how associativity rule works. And now let's see an example. Like, let's take a very big problem, and now let's try to solve this and find the perfect solution for this. As you can see here, here I am writing this precedence and associativity rules for your understanding. When you are solving any big problem, first try to write these rules, then you can solve this problem very easily. Now as you can see here, we found this brackets is have the first precedence level. So now we need to solve this. First, when we are solving a problem, first we need to think about the precedence level. If precedence level is same, then it comes to associativity rule. Okay, I hope you are getting this 6 plus 2. First we solve this 6 plus 2, then this 6 plus 2 becomes 8, and remaining all will be same. Okay, next we can see this power, yes, this have second precedence level, so this needs to be solved first. So let me try to solve this. And 3 power 2 is 9, 3 square, and let me paste this also. Yes, and now let's see which operator. Yes, as you can see here, multiplication and division both are in the same level, but what we follow is from left to right we will parse. That is like let me tell, left to right means first left is 2 into 9, 9 2s are 18, and then we traverse 8 by 4, that is 2, and 8 into 5, that is 40. This is how we parse this. And for example, if we have exponential, then we traverse from right to left. For example, let's say all these three are exponential powers, then first we perform this, and then this, and then this. Okay, this is how we do. And for this particular problem, if we do from left or right, nothing is happening, but as I said in the before example, the results was changing, so there we use associativity. And now as we can see here, plus and minus, addition and subtraction is there, and both having same precedence level, so associativity level is left to right, so we traverse from left to right. That is 10 plus 18, that is 28, minus 2 plus 40, 26 plus 40, we got 66 as the answer. So this is the final result. We evaluated the infix expression and we got the output. And this is the end of the video. If you have any queries, please comment below, and please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.